live event which is going to be coming up in the new OG season, I think, which is coming. I don't know, by the looks of it, it's like a volcano possibly, or a mountain, I don't know. But yeah, we'll see and do a bit of gameplay. So yeah, hopefully we can get some kills. Yeah. We'll see how it goes. And it's probably a good place. Probably. Why is there, mate? Head in here because it's like a higher. I don't know what. I think it may be like meteor rather than happening, but I really don't know. Chest. Bro, give it back. Oh, come on. How do you drive these? Can you not? Oh, you can. Can you hop in them? Oh! We go. There we go. Shopping cart. Yahoo! Yippee! There we go. Shopping cart scooter. I mean, it's okay mobility, but if we can hit 100 meters. I think it's pretty good going down here. No, wait, there's a ramp. Oh, head down this. 3, 2, 1. Bro. Anyways. Okay, head over here. I've got 100 metal. Shotgun out. With the OG season, I think there's a new season coming up. Normally don't do OG, but for this video I will. That, yeah. Okay. Get some brick. I'm gonna get wood. So if we just, oh yay, they got football. Oh, their sponsor's Dirt Burger. Okay. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. No. Football. No. There we go. Or get juked on. Oh, bro, I'm terrible. So cool that I did this though. Ah, bro. Come on. Come on. Try and get the ball to get a goal. 3, 2, 1, 3. Trying the free kick. Yep. Try that again. 3, 2. Wait, can you shoot the ball? No, myth busted. So I think that should get a couple of likes. I think there's going to be people, you know, cranking 90s and us, but yeah, we'll see. I don't know what happened there. Weird. It's quite hard to get shield in OG season. It's quite weird. Yeah. Should have gone an OG skin, but you know. Yibba dibba dibba dibba. Head over here. Okay, loot. Medkit. Yo! A legendary thing. Is it like, is this, I don't think it's a good weapon, but that's cool find. Very. You know, just not throw too much of it as possible. Yes, finally got big pot. Oh. RPG on this. Maybe we can get an RPG from chest, probably not. And this wall. Maybe I can just go this and be smart. Nope. Yes. Wait, is this like a secret? No, that's cool. Pump or tack. Go with the pump. Oh, someone's got jetpack. Okay. Slurp juice, but only him 75 will just drink it. Try I think what it's going to be like a bunch of meteors raining down and stuff. Or something similar. I don't know, but that's in a day. I will update possibly. In the meantime, yeah. We're doing some gameplay and stuff. Okay, this way. Now I think that all the screens, they're quite funny. Where? So where are these people? Like, it's already been like 8 minutes. Oh, over there. Oh. Bro, you take full damage. Oh, it's a rift. Yeah. Oh, some good stuff. The rifts. Yeah, so you can get easy. Now, if you haven't already seen best chapter 6 Lance season, superhero season, and what, make sure to check that out where you can get infinite and yo, no, I take it, yeah. Wait, should I? Oh, so done. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Bro took full damage. Oh my god. There's this drinking. Oh no. Right there. Let's get off it. Bruh. That doesn't work on me. Yeah, you have to go down the mountain for it. Yeah. I don't know where these people are. Wow, bandages. Oh my. Yeah, go off him. Bro, I know what to do exactly to you. Nope. No. No. Let's bring him this way. How do I get up? Yeah, I know. I can yeet him. Bro, you die to full damage. I really don't care. I'm just gonna carry him or put him off a mountain. We can... Should I go in a rift with him? Oh, that'd be hilarious. This way. Bro's probably... I want his jetpack anyways. Okay. This may be stupid. I'm chucking in the rift. Don't know if he'll survive this. Give me the gun. Where is it? Oh, poop, it's up there. Yeah. Yep. Chuck! Oh, I wanted to test it. Where's his jetpack? I mean, he's got every shot, isn't it? There's a minigun. There we go. And then they'll probably not revive me, you know. Wait, should I just... I mean, this was where Ninja did the "Hi, I'm Brittany." You know that. I think they changed it, but you know. Oh, poop. No go. Bruh. I know what I'm gonna do with it. I'm gonna chuck him off the side of the mountain. You know. No. I can't really. I don't want. Oh, there must be. Landing on it for you. Young. Bruh. Wee! Wee! C4! Or you really think you can dupe me? I'm the Duke King. Okay, where are these kids? You really thought that would work, okay? Nope. This whole fort's going down, mate. I've decided. Yeah, sorry, mate, but you know. Brr. Come on, bro. Come up. I dare you. Not that smart. Yeah, move on anyways. Oh, come on! Bro, those are sweats. Bruh. Oh, the guided missile, not bruh. We're in the mountains, so we have high advantage. Yeah, if that fires, because then it's... Okay. Yeah. There's rocket ammo. Yeah. Nice. Okay, grab that. Oh, it's people there. Not be bad. Yo. Bro. I'm gonna run from it. Yeah, bro has high ground. So I do like that. Okay, bro gets sniped. Oh, it's two, yeah. Two snipers. Oh, no wonder why. Sheesh. No. Yeah, bro's dead. Bro, you're trying to rocket launch a person who, you know... Bro, I can't crouch to you if not that smart. Bruh. Head back to lobby. Okay. What? Oh, it's rocket launch. That's what they're doing. Okay, well, anyways, thank you for watching. That was quite a sweaty match, so I hope you enjoyed this. Bye!